Now, on to hinted handoff. Depending on your consistency level, you can still service write requests even when nodes are down. Apache Cassandra accomplishes this via hinted handoff. A write request comes into the cluster. The replication factor is 3. As usual, the coordinator forwards the write requests to the replica nodes. Notice, however, that the bottom node is down. Although the coordinator is not a replica node, it stores the data to send to the down node after the node comes online again. Eventually, that bottom node comes back online. Once aware, the former coordinator node now forwards the write to the replica node that's back online. Apache Cassandra stores hints in files in the directory that you specify in the cassandra.yaml file. By default, a node stores hints for up to 3 hours. However, you can tweak this setting in the cassandra.yaml file as well. Something you'll want to be aware of with hinted handoff is the consistency level. In the previous illustration, with a consistency level of 1 or 2, the coordinator will report that the write was successful. However, with a consistency level of 3, the coordinator will report a failed mutation because of the down node. Be careful when using consistency level any. In fact, don't use consistency level any. With consistency level any, all 3 replica nodes can be down, but the coordinator will still store hints for these nodes and report the write as successful to the client. However, this data will not appear in any subsequent reads until one of the replica nodes comes back online. That's also assuming the coordinator node isn't down when the replica nodes come back online. If the hint window expires before any replica nodes come back online, the coordinator will delete your write. If your coordinator flat out dies, you'll lose your data then as well. In short, consistency level any is not practical. Now, let's do a hinted handoff exercise.